slowly but surely, they're trying to creep back in to your life. Trying to creep back in slowly but surely. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber of this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is in our description box. Also, how to sign up for the beautiful services like Kingdom Assist, the life-changing services. I would love to take you on as your personal life coach. I will make sure you're not stuck. I will act as a bridge to get you and walk you into purpose. Speaking of purpose, we have brand coaching as well. Let's start that brand. We have different packages for those who want to become a CEO and work that business like a CEO. That's a She Means Business course. Registration is closed. If you're interested, email me, see if I can squeeze you in. We also have our PJs and Purpose coming up, and everyone loves the PJs and Purpose. So many great things here at Prophetic Diary, PD Society Circle every Sunday. Sign up, get connected. It is you who need to change, and then everything around you will match that. He's realizing and he sees now that you are the best thing aligned with his purpose and his assignment. His purpose and his assignment, because no one wants to live in this world and live a life without purpose or an assignment. But that's something that his pride and his immaturity or distractions blinded him from before. Someone says before. And he might resurface with you left this behind, text message, old posts, casual check-ins, and things like that. Someone say creeping back in. Because in his mind, he thought that you'll always be there waiting, hoping, and available. But now he's realizing that your silence and your emotional detachment, we talked about that, feels scarier than any argument that he ever had with Kenneth's head or with you. He's realizing that loss is knocking at the door. He's connecting the dots that you were just, not just a girlfriend, that you were his helper, his assignment, and the one who pushed him towards purpose. Without you, he feels restless. Someone says restless. Anybody's gonna feel restless without their purpose. You ever try living your life without purpose? His ego is checked. When a man sees a woman stop chasing him, he starts to panic. He's used to you calling and caring and praying and reminding him of his greatness and all of that. Ego. But now that energy is gone and he feels empty. Someone say ego checked. Those text messages, those breadcrumb texts, is it safe for me to go back? Can I come back? Can I be vulnerable? Is the door still open? And he's surveillancing your social media, checking it out every 2 minutes, liking stuff at 3 a.m. He's saying, I still see you, without fully saying it. Come on, y'all. He's trying to keep a connection wherever he can. Asking you simple questions, asking your friends simple questions that he can ask Google. Have you ever heard of, do you know what's the name of that street? What's the name of that restaurant we used to go to? Or asking your friends questions like, what's she been up to? They just testing. He want to see if you respond the way you used to, warming, loving, and just letting the door be wide open. Confused, he curious, regret. You were his calm, you were his encouragement, you were his mirror. You left an imprint, and he wants to come home. Jealousy, longing, shame, all of those things. But when he comes back, you got to realize it's not about him missing those things. It's not about him, but it's about you. And how he has to recognize that you're an assignment from God and that God gave you to him. So don't rush back in. Let that time and that fruit talk for you. Because them breadcrumbs is not enough. So don't eat the breadcrumbs because you're going to think that's enough and that that's okay. And it's not. So they're going to try to creep back in some way, somehow. And you have to remember all the work that you've put in and how you have come into Cinderella, how you have come into Ruth, who you are today, which is queendom. And you need a king. Kings don't breadcrumb. Kings step up to the occasion. So I hope that this word bless you. If you feel led to sow into it, put ego check, because their egos have been checked. Hope to see you on the live a little later. Sign up for a one-on-one if the Lord leads you. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.